The Black Stars and the Super Eagles are yet to clash for the coveted ticket to the 2022 World Cup in Qatar, but the banter between Ghanaians and Nigerians is as intense as midday sun. The story is no different in the home of the king of the Igbo community in Ghana.
The Super, look, Super and the Eagle, sorry the Eagle, Have you ever seen any star as black before? Have you ever seen a star as black before? Have you ever seen a black star before? Have you ever seen star as a black before? This is green eagles. The green is the grass, the green represent Africa, and the eagle soar a lot, and the eagle carry weight and strength. What are you talking about?
The Igbo king of Ghana, Dr. IHENETU, is married to Briwa-born Liberty Kwenu. The couple has 7 children, and ahead of the March 25 big game, the children are split between the Black Stars and the Super Eagles. Angel and Martin will be rooting for Nigeria.
The players have great skills. Secondly, I just have a strong feeling that, they're going to make us proud. I think Nigeria 2, Ghana 1.
Second leg?
Second. I think Nigeria 4, Ghana 1.
We have a better team, we have teamwork, and we have the best or the good players. Like we have a player like IHENETU and Wilfred Ndidi. So we can score Ghana, but the match won't be easy. But I think Nigeria is going to win 1. And when we go to our home, Nigeria is going to play goalless draw.
Angel and Martin's sibling Evans will be supporting Ghana instead.
I don't think Nigeria is going to win us because the history is going to repeat itself again. Nigeria is never going to beat Ghana. Ghana is going to beat them only 1 goal. We will go to their home, we will play 2-0 against Nigeria.
The game is christened the Jollof Derby. Ghana Jollof or Nigeria Jollof. The Igbo king of Ghana prefers the latter.
I'm a Nigerian, and my mom cooked the best jollof. So nobody will ever say that his or her mother food is not nice. So my mom trained us with jollof rice. So Ghana jollof rice cannot be compared to Nigeria jollof rice, more especially when my mom cooked. So jollof rice of Nigeria is the best.
But his daughter Liberty has a different opinion altogether.
When I tasted Nigerian jollof, it was okay, but Ghana jollof, God, is the best.
No matter who secures qualification to the 2022 World Cup, one thing is for sure: the family of the Igbo king of Ghana will enjoy a West African jollof.